Howdy folks, and welcome to Risky Business. We'll be continuing on with the bench today. I was going to stain it today, but I decided to go with another route. Yeah. Anyways, you'll see. But yeah, we will be cleaning up the metal, and then I'll be running stuff on the router. Here I am cleaning up the metal. There's quite a few rusty spots on it. I'm just going to run over it with a wire brush on the drill, and any of the harder spots or just things that don't come out, I'm going to use the angle grinder on. Add some WD-40 on the holes just to get the spots that are harder to reach. Here I am putting the wrong pad on the angle grinder, so you're gonna watch me struggle and figure out why this doesn't work. The pad was actually just too thick for the guard on the grinder, and I didn't want to take the grinder off, and I had another pad anyway, so. I was going to stain the wood today, but I decided to add a bevel to all the wood pieces. I don't know, I think it'll look better, probably help from clothing and stuff getting caught on it, or I don't know. I just wanted to do it. See me spending a lot more time getting the fence square and the featherboards on this one. That might be because that little pusher that I have there, that was originally supposed to be a lot bigger, but kind of caught and got flung across the whole garage and slammed into the garage door. Luckily it wasn't me, but it was supposed to be a lot bigger, so I learned my lesson on that one. I started off with a small V-groove that I already had in the router, and I ended up taking that out and using one of the bigger 45-degree bits. here's a view of what I'm actually doing. And for the smaller pieces, I didn't want to have such a large bevel on them, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to lower the router just a little bit, and that will just make the actual cut smaller for the smaller pieces. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe if you want to support my channel. Thanks.